In this video, we will discuss about exercise 2.4 question number 11 to 14. These four questions 11, 12, 13 and 14. These four questions are based on last algebraic identity. We are having 8 algebraic identities in this exercise. Out of 8, we completed 1 to 7. We studied identities what? 1 to 7. Last identity is remaining. Today in this class, we will discuss about last identity, algebraic identity, and based on this identity, we are having 4 questions and we will solve each questions. Clear? So what is the identity? Last identity, 8th identity is what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Cube of variable x, y and z. Minus 3 times of x, y, z. What? If we are having expression in this form, x cube plus y cube plus z cube, observe carefully, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z, then its factor will be what? X plus y plus z. One factor is what? X plus y plus z, and remaining will be what? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is what? Expanded form of this one. So how we will factorize this one? If we are having in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, then we will factorize like this. Now question number 11 is what? We want to factorize. We are having 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. By observing, we are getting what? It is looking this one. Yes or no? So how we will factorize this one? These are the factors of this identity. So first we convert this one into the general form, then we will expand. So I am taking this one. What is the question? Question number 11th solution I am taking. 11th, what will be its solution? 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. It is looking what? Algebraic identity 8th. So first observe clearly what? 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So convert it into general form. So how we will convert this one into the general form? 27 can be written as 3x whole power 3, 3x whole power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3 minus, in the general form we are having x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 times of xyz. So we will write 3 times of x. X is this one. This is what? X. This is the y. And this is what? Z. So put x is what? 3x. Y is y and z is what? Z. Once we solve, we convert. What we are doing? We are converting this given expression into the general form of algebraic identity 8th one. Clear? So we want x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So how we are writing? 27x cube can be written as 3x whole power 3, and this will be what? X. 3x will be what? X. Y cube, so no necessity to change. Y cube, we want y is what? This one, and z is will be this one. Then minus 3 times of this one. So once we are solving, we are getting this one. When we multiply this one, 3 3s are 9, 9xyz. Clear? Now its factor. What is its factor? Using identity 8th. By using this identity, we can say what? Its factor will be x plus y plus z. We are using this one, x plus y plus z. So x is what? 3x. 3x plus y plus z. Clear? And another bracket is what? I am using square bracket x square. What is x? X is 3x. 3x square plus y square. Y is y, so y square plus z is what? Z. Z square. Clear? Then minus xy. Minus x. X is what? 3x. Minus xy minus yz minus z into x. X is what? 3x. Solve this one. Observe, this is not hard question, easy. Observe, we are using algebraic identity 8th and we are expanding like this. X 3x plus y plus z, and this can be written as how? 3x whole square will be 9x square, 3 square is 9, x square will be this one, plus y square plus z square minus, when we multiply what we are getting? 3xy minus yz, and this will be what? Minus 3zx or xz we can write. So this is the another bracket, and this is what? Factors of these expressions. So it is in the form of algebraic identity 8th one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and its factors are what? X plus y plus z and into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So first we are identifying what? xyz, and then we are putting xyz value in this form, expanded form, then we are getting the factors. So this is what? Solution of this question. Clear? Easy question, we can easily to find. Now question number 12 I am taking. What is this? We want to verify. What we want to verify? We are having one expression, we want to verify this one. So I am going to solve this one. How we will solve? X cube plus y cube plus z cube x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to this one. How we are getting this one? Question number 12th one I am taking. What is the question? Question number 12th one I am taking. Question number 12th. What is the question? We are having x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into what? X minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x whole square. We want to this one. Clear? So this is the equation. It is having left hand side and right hand side. Once we take left hand side and after solving this we are getting right hand side or not. Clear? So how we will solve this one? So we have what? We have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. It is what? Algebraic identity 8th one. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz can be written as what? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. We can write it like this. So we are having? We are taking this left side, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz I am taking, and its value is what? From algebraic identity 8th we are having this one, Now we want to convert this into this one. How we will convert? Once we multiply and divide, observe, I am taking right side. 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z. I multiplied this from 1 by 2. So we are dividing by 2, so we should multiply by 2. So now I am multiplying by 2, this one. I am multiplying this one. So how we will write? 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Observe carefully what we are doing. Observe what we are doing. We are multiplying and dividing this one by 2. What we are doing? We are multiplying and dividing. What we are doing? We are multiplying and dividing by 2 of this expanded form. We know this is the algebraic identity. 8th one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to this one. Once we multiply and divide by 2, then result is unordered. We are getting same result, this one. But we want these expressions. So we are taking left hand. We are having its value is what? Using identity 8th. X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now we are multiplying and dividing by 2 these expressions. Why? Because in the right hand we want 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Now I am writing 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z. And this 2, numerator 2, I am taking there and we are multiplying all terms. We are multiplying what? All terms by 2. Then we are getting this one. Clear? Now in the next we can write 1 by 2. What? 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, and this can be written as 2x square can be written as x square plus x square. 2 times x, 2x square is what? X square plus x square. And 2y square can also be write what? Y square plus y square. And 2z square is what? Z square plus z square. Minus 2 times of xy minus 2 times of yz minus 2 times of zx. There is a reason we are writing like this. Clear? Why? Because we want x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square and z minus x whole square. Now 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. Adjust these all things. X square minus 2xy plus y square. Now x square minus 2xy plus y square. This one and this one I am taking. Now remaining yz. Next one is what? Yz. How we will write? Plus we are having 2y square now. We used 1y there. Y square minus 2yz minus z square. Sorry, plus z square plus square. This one and this one we used. This one and this one we used. Now 3 terms. We are having total 9 terms. 3 terms are remaining. First one is x square, z square and this one. So next one will be what? Plus z square minus 2 times of zx plus x square. Now these are what? These are what? We already studied. It is looking algebraic identity 2. Clear? So we can write 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into what? X minus y whole square, and then when we solve this one, what we are getting? X square minus 2xy plus y square. And this one will be what? Y minus z square. When we expand, then what we are getting? Y square minus 2yz plus z square. And this can be written as z minus x whole square. And these all terms we are having there. It means by using left hand, what we are doing? We are using left hand, and left hand is similar to what? Algebraic identity 8th, and its expanded form is what? This one. We are having this one, we are multiplying, dividing by 2, and we are solving. So we are putting 1 by 2 there, and remaining numerator 2 will be what we are doing? We are multiplying these whole terms. Then we are expanding, and then we are converting into this one. Clear? So in this way we are getting, this is what? Right hand side. So from the left hand side we are getting the right hand side. So we verified what? We verified that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be what? This one. We can write x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is this one. That's okay. But we can also write this one will be what? 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x minus y square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. It is also its result, expanded form, we can say. Now next question I am taking, question number 13th one. What is this one? Observe carefully. I am taking question number 13th. What is this one? If x plus y plus z equal to 0, so that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xy z. We want to prove. Question number 13th one of exercise 2.4 polynomials. If x plus y z equal to this one. Clear? This is the condition. We are having one condition. We want to show this one. It is looking algebraic identity 8th one. So we know that what will be its solution? I am writing there. We know that algebraic identity 8 is what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to what? X plus y plus z into what? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Observe carefully. We want to prove this one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to this one or not, and in which we are having this one condition. So from algebraic identity 8th one we are having this result. What is condition we are having? If x plus y plus z equal to 0, put x plus y plus z equal to 0. Put this one. It is given in the question. Once we put this one, what result we are having? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz can be written as 0 times of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Clear? Once we multiply any number by 0, then result will be what? 0. So what we can say? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be 0. Now transpose this term towards the right. What we are getting? X cube plus y cube plus z cube will be what? 3xyz. This result we want. So we proved this one. What? We want to show x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3xyz or not? Yes. X cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3xyz. Why? Because algebraic identity. What? Algebraic identity 8th we are using, and in which we are putting x plus y plus z equal to 0, then right hand will be completely 0. After this one, when we transpose this term towards the right, then we are getting required result. Clear? So we can say in the algebraic identity 8th, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Now question number 14. I am taking question number 14. What is the question number 14? Observe carefully. Question number 14 is that without actually calculating the cube, find the values of each of the following. We are having cube terms minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. But we are having one condition, without actually calculating cube. We don't want to cube minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 12. Once we do like this, we can obtain the result. But condition is given, we will not do like this. How we will find the values of this one? Observe. We studied that if we are having x cube plus y cube plus z cube, then result is what? 3xyz. What? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. When x plus y plus z equal to 0. It means in this question number 14, first one I am taking, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Clear? What is this? This is 5 cube. If x plus y plus z, observe, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to what? 3xyz. So we are having value of x, y, z. Clear? We will add x plus y plus z. If we are getting some zero, then we will follow this formula. So we are having minus 12. What is the value of x? This is the x, this is the y, and this is the z. So we can say minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. And what is the result? Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Minus 12 plus 12. And result is 0. Yes or no? We want to solve these cubic without multiplication. So we are having x cube plus y cube plus z cube. And its value will be what? 3xyz. 3xyz. When we will use this formula, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, when we will use? If x plus y plus z value, x plus y plus z value equal to, sum of x plus y plus z equal to 0. So we are adding x plus y plus z. In this, x is this one, this is the y, this is the z. So we are adding x plus y plus z. And this one is a 0. So then we can use what? It's sum. It's not sum. This cube of these terms will be what? Minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube will be what? What we completed? We added all x plus y plus z, we add, then what we are getting? 0. It means x square plus y square plus z cube will be what? 3xyz. So this can be written as 3 times of minus 12. Y is what? 7 and z is what? 5. So we want to multiply. Negative result we are getting. 12 3 ja 36 and 7 5 ja 35. Result will be negative. We want to multiply 36 and 35. How we will multiply? 6 5 ja 30, 3 is remaining, 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 3 18, 6 3 ja 18, 1 is remaining, 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1 10. Add all 0, 8 plus 8 16, 1 is remaining, 1 plus 1 2 and 12. So what product we are getting? Minus 1260 will be the result or answer of this question, in which we are not solving cube. Minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 12 plus 7 into 7 into 7 plus 5 into 5 into 5. Once we do like this, we can obtain this result. But without solving cube, we are using formula. And formula is what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, equal to 3 times of x into y into z. So when we are having this form, both questions are in this form, but we will apply this formula when if x plus y plus z equal to 0. So we are checking its x, y and z terms, we are adding and result is 0. So we can use this formula and then we are getting its result, and this is minus 1260. Clear? Now its second question I am taking. Same process we will follow. What is the second one? Second question I am taking, in which only values are changed. What is the second one? 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. If we are having minus there, if we are not having plus and directly we are having minus, then no, it's not possible. It is what? Cubic term. So we cannot take inside. So this will be positive. This will be positive. This will be positive. Clear? Why? Because in the formula we are having x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So both should be what? Positive side. Clear? We are having 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. So this will be x, this will be y, and this will be z. First we will sum. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube. Then we will apply this one. Then its result will be what? 3 into x into y into z. Clear? So first we will sum. How we will sum? X is what? 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13. What we are getting? Its sum. This is what? 28 minus, this is minus or this is minus, both are negative, so result will be negative. Minus 15 plus 13, 15, 5 plus 3, 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 28, and finally its sum is 0. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then we can use this one. Yes, x plus y plus z of this question having 0, so we can use what? Its result 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube will be what? 3 times of x. X is what? 28. Y is what? Minus 15. And z is what? Minus 13. So two negative sign we are having. So minus into minus will be plus. So result will be plus. Result will be what? Plus. First multiply both. What will be the result? 8 3 ja 24. Now 2 is remaining. 6 2 ja 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2 8. Observe carefully. 8 3 ja 24. 2 is remaining. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2 8. Now multiply both. Minus into minus will be plus. 15 3 ja. We are multiplying both. 15 3 ja 45. 4 is remaining. 15 1 ja 15. 15 plus 4. 15 3 ja 45. 4 is remaining. 15 1 ja 15. 15 plus 4 19. 195 and positive 1. Now multiply both. Multiply 195 into 84. What will be the result? 5 4 ja 20. 2 is remaining. Clear? 5 4 ja 20. 2 is remaining. Sorry, 5 4 ja 20. 0 will be there. 2 is remaining. 9 4 ja 36. 36 plus 2. What? 38. 8 will be there. 3 is remaining. 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 3 7, 8 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40, 4 is remaining. Now 8 9 ja 72, 72 plus 4, 72 plus 4 76, 6 will be there, 6 will be there, 7 is remaining. Now 8 1 ja 8, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7 will be what? 8 plus 7 15. Clear? 8 0 8, this will be what? 13 1 16, this one 1600, not 1600, 16,380 will be the solution of this question, second one. So these all questions are based on the algebraic identity. Eighth one, this is the last algebraic identity for this exercise. We completed all the algebraic identities. So what we are doing, we are using algebraic identity, eighth one. And what is this one? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz can be written as what? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Clear? If x plus y plus z is 0, then we are getting what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3 times of x into y into z, 3 times of x y z. Clear? When x, sum of x plus y plus z is equal to what? 0. So in these all questions we are using this identity and solving all. So all are easy question. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.